Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to track the changes on your Google Sheets document. So first thing we have to do is just go up on the Google Sheets documents. Okay, here I already prepared to you. So how to track the changes if you already do a lot of changes, a lot of additional information towards the documents that you work for. You just need to go click this rows here to track what changes that you already do on this document. You just need to click it backwards. Okay, you can see that there are a lot of changes that you do, and how to bring it back, you just need to go click the other way. Okay, and that's all the way how to track the changes. You can also track the activities of about these documents by going to these three small dots, and after that go click details. In details you just need to go scrolling down and you will find out who edit these documents. You can see here there's also a shared activity to share the documents into someone else's with a editor and also a viewer. Okay, you can see all of the activity that happens in this document. So that's all the way how to track the changes on a Google Sheet. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.